Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy and tasty native jollof spaghetti. If today is the first time I'm coming across this video, you're welcome. With no further ado, let's cook. The first thing I did was to heat up my palm oil on the gas cooker. Now I'll be adding some chopped onions. The next thing I'll be doing is to go ahead to stir this up and fry for few minutes so that it can awaken the aroma and the flavor of the onions. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now I'll be adding some chopped pepper, atarodo, the one you can tolerate. Now next I will be adding some ginger and garlic paste. This is optional. After that, I'll go ahead to stir everything up. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. The next thing I'll be adding is some grounded crayfish. This is optional as well. If you're not in lover of crayfish, you can skip that. Now I'll be adding some cooked bacon. This is also optional as well. I will be adding red bell pepper and tomatoes at this point, and then I'll go ahead to give everything a good stir. If you have watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to subscribe, share and like. Thank you. Now I'll just go ahead to add just a little water to loosen it up, and then I will continue to stir this up. After stirring, I will go ahead to cover to cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a low medium heat. After that, I will go ahead to open up the pan. The next thing I'll be adding is our shrimps or prawns, which I grilled with my air fryer. Now I'll be adding some maggi and salt. Guys, concerning the shrimps or prawns that I air fry with my air fryer, guys, this took this dish to another level. I have a video of it already on my short, on my YouTube short. Go ahead and go and watch that. Thank you so much. So guys, I will go ahead now to stir everything up, and then I'll show you the next thing I did. The next thing I did was to cover the pot to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and thereafter I went ahead to open up the pan. Now I'll be adding some boiled egg. What is native jollof without boiled egg? So guys, after adding the egg, I'll just go ahead to stir this up, and then I will show you the next thing I did. Over to the pasta. I'll be cooking this for 8 to 10 minutes now. Now I'll go ahead to add that into the sauce. You can use any pasta of your choice. So after adding it, the next thing I'll be doing is to add some of those pasta water into the pasta and sauce, and then I'll mix everything up. If you have watched up to this moment, please guys go ahead to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. I'll be adding the pasta water now, and then I will stir everything all together. Guys, this recipe is so delicious and yummy. This is the secret to this recipe. I added some scent leaf and some green leaf which I plucked from my garden. This took this jollof pasta to another level. Will you be trying this? If you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Please do wait to subscribe, share this video and give this video a thumbs up. Keep eating good food. Thank you so much. See you in my next video, and bye.